Welcome to the Honeycomb Training Academy. Brought to you by PRP Solutions. This video will guide you through the process of scheduling team and individual shift plans in Honeycomb. Select the planning tile on your home screen. Select each of the options required for the selection criteria. You can leave the default date range, use the calendar widgets, or select the calendars from the pre-configured date ranges. Select Next. Click on the Team row and select Team Plan. Shift and team plans are collections of one or more shifts. They are used to schedule either a team of employees or an individual employee. Once a plan is scheduled, the system automatically schedules the assigned employees. This continues until the plan is ended. Depending on your company's configuration, a plan can be scheduled up to 26 weeks in advance. These plans are created by PRP or your company's superuser with specific user access. If a plan is already scheduled, it is advisable to end the old plan by capturing an end date, which should be the day before the start date of the new plan. To do this, select the plan you would like to end, and select an end date. Select Save. To schedule a new plan, select Plus New. Select a plan from the Pattern Source drop-down menu. Each plan should have a description that clearly indicates the scheduling pattern it represents. Review the descriptions to help you select the appropriate plan. Select Next. The schedule period start date will default to today. Change this date to the day you want the schedule to start. Do not capture an end date as you don't want the system to stop the scheduling. The only exception is when the employee is assigned to the plan for a fixed period. Do not change the pattern start date. Ensure that all boxes are ticked for each day of the week when using a team or individual shift plan. By default, the public holiday dropdown is set to schedule based on day of week. If PPH or PHQ should be scheduled on a public holiday, select it from the dropdown. This option is typically used for Monday to Friday employees who are paid for public holidays, even though they are not required to work. The preview date range shows a preview of how the pattern will be scheduled. Move the arrows to the left or right to move the plan one day at a time until the correct pattern is visible. Select Save. Select Back. You will now see that all employees in the team are scheduled on the same plan. To schedule an employee on their own plan, select the Schedule button and follow the shown steps. These steps are exactly the same as when you are scheduling a team plan. Refresh your screen to see the changes. You will see that this employee is now scheduled on their own shift plan. Here is an example of individual shift plans that can be scheduled with alternating shifts, where shifts are offset from each other. The pattern consists of 3-day shifts, 3 night shifts, and 3 days off. The same can be done with team plans as shown here. Thank you for watching this Honeycomb Academy training video. Brought to you by PRP Solutions.